So if you got that car stream, you already know about it, but you can literally watch movies, YouTube videos as you driving. There's no, like, it doesn't cut off because you're driving or nothing. It's delayed because I'm taking the video right now, but as you can see, there goes my YouTube. I was kind of listening to that country music earlier, but let's put this right here so y'all can see how this joint works. Awesome. It's great if you got kids and stuff like that. It's definitely how you want to go about it. Doesn't stay like that. You can put it in full screen. So it'll cover the whole screen up. If you got youngins, they'll be entertained. Oh my fucking goodness, yo.
As you can see, you can still receive calls. Well, anyways, so everybody want to know how to download it. So search AAAD APK, right? Then that's going to take you to this page. So make sure you hit the green button, and ad might pop up. Don't download the wrong ad. Make sure you go back to this original page and then you download it. It's going to ask you for a bunch of permissions and everything. I didn't have no issues on my phone, so just accept all the permissions and install it and download it. Then after you get that, it's going to give you a bunch of options to download. Download CarStream, though. CarStream works wireless, no issues. And one of the other things I like about it is once you open the app, you know, like, you got to play with it. I can't explain everything to you, but once you open the app in your screen on the car, then, you know, everything is wireless. If you have the wireless one, it's awesome. It's great. You don't have to worry about nothing. You can talk into it. Now, there's also a screen mirror version, which I'll show y'all, which is the AA mirror. So this at a standstill, parked up, you know, just running the movie back, letting the young boys enjoy it. It's dope. It's really dope. Now, the best thing about it is you can actually watch things while you drive. So as you can see here, I'm driving around, running the same movie around, and it's just dope to have in the car. It's really, really dope. Like, it's a must download if you got a K5. It works for any Android Auto, actually. You know, sometimes you got to check your own stuff out because they got a web browser too, so you can actually check out your own YouTube videos and stuff like that. But here's the screen mirror, because I had an issue with Netflix actually showing on the car stream. So it costs like $4.50 American dollars, but with the screen mirror too, is even like with the camera you could do something. So I hope you guys have no issue installing it. Enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I'm gonna go have fun with my car because this is just dope. East Way.